Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming software and parts. Update the Ps5 to the latest firmware and pick a compatible drive. For internal expansion, use an M2 NVMe PCIe 4. 0 module. For external use, a USB 3. 0 HDD/SSD. Once done, backup your saves to cloud or USB so nothing is lost. Make sure the console is fully powered down and unplugged before you open the cover or connect external drives. That reduces risk and prepares you for the physical steps that follow. You now perform the core installation. For internal SSDs, remove the Ps5 cover, unscrew the M2 bay, fit the module at the right angle using the correct spacer and secure it. Attach a heatsink per manufacturer guidance. For external drives, plug the device into a USB 3.0 port. Once connected, power on and go to settings to format as extended storage. Make sure to follow torque light screw placement and avoid touching contacts. This preserves integrity and ensures the drive is recognized. You finish by formatting and organizing content. After the console detects the new drive, go to settings, right arrow storage and format, or initialize it so the system can use it. Once formatted, move games and apps via storage, right arrow games and apps, and set your preferred install location. If the drive isn't recognized, power down, reseat the module or reconnect the cable, verify Ps5 firmware, and try another USB port or cable. These quick checks fix most detection issues and get you back to gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.